everyone, welcome to Learn English with Evelyn. Today's lesson is about essential vocabulary you can use when meeting someone for the first time. Let's get started. Our first word is greet. Greet means to say hello politely. For example, you can greet someone by saying, "Nice to meet you." Repeat after me, greet. The next word is introduce. Introduce means to tell someone your name when you first meet them. For example, you could say, "Let me introduce myself. My name is Evelyn." Repeat after me, introduce. Our next word is interesting. Interesting means something that catches your attention. For example, your city sounds interesting. Repeat after me, interesting. The next vocabulary word is field. Field means an area of work or study. You could say, "Why did you choose this field?" Repeat after me, field. Our next word is hobby. Hobby means something you enjoy doing in your free time. For example, my hobby is reading books. Repeat after me, hobby. Next is the word goal. Goal means something you plan to achieve in the future. For example, my goal is to speak English fluently. Repeat after me, goal. Now, let's practice these words in a conversation. Listen carefully. "Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Evelyn."
Nice to meet you too. I'm Alex. What's your hobby?
My hobby is watching movies. What's yours? Great job. Let's quickly review today's vocabulary. Greet, introduce, interesting, field, hobby, and goal. Excellent job today. Thanks for learning English with Evelyn. Let me know in the comments, which new word did you learn today? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.